Hi, I'm Vicki Gould, sound healer, Reiki master, master herbalist, law of attraction practitioner, and the founder of Life Changing Energy. Today, I want to talk to you about something very, very special in regards to sound frequencies. They're a very powerful healing tool, but our modern day scale has been robbed of its healing power. Centuries ago, there was a more powerful tonal scale called the original Solfeggio frequencies. These sounds and frequencies were used in ancient Gregorian chants and were believed to give people spiritual blessings when sung in harmony. Now you can get the same from Solfeggio tuning forks. And these are what we're going to talk about. There originally were 6, and now there are 9. There were 3 more discovered, and we're going to cover what those exactly are and why it's important for you. Many believe that listening to these frequencies will help you to open your mind, body, and soul to harmonize with the universe's frequency. You can more effectively remove negative energy and blockages around you and in your body, and they also help you to release emotions, even past traumas. Each tone has a specific healing ability. Now, if you're a musician, you may have heard the term solfeggio before in reference to musical intervals. And these sacred solfeggio tuning forks are created from frequencies known as the secret solfeggios. For centuries, these tones were actually lost to us. Then the discovery of the Gregorian chant, named the great hymn to St. John the Baptist, gave us the name of each note. Each note began a phrase in the hymn, which I will post below rather than butcher the pronunciation, but there's ut, re, mi, fa, sol, la. So when we say do, re, mi in singing, it's the solfeggio scale. Solfeggio is based on a natural system of tuning called Pythagorean tuning. In the scale with the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, they correspond to, you guessed it, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, right? You remember that. Technically and mathematically, Dr. Joseph Puleo deciphered these sounds using the ancient Pythagorean method of reducing the verse numbers to their single-digit integers. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are fundamental root vibrations of these solfeggio frequencies. And I'm going to show you exactly what these sound like in a minute. As Nikola Tesla said, if you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, then you would hold a key to the universe. These codes, revealed in these repeating numbers in these Solfeggio tuning forks of 369, 417, 528, 639, 741, 852, like the 6 electromagnetic sound frequencies of the original Solfeggio scales. That's what those were. Dr. Leonard Horowitz, author of The Healing Codes of the Biological Apocalypse, uncovered 3 more Solfeggio frequencies, and these frequencies, like the original 6, also have great healing potential. Now in the set, let me show you what the set looks like. We have added those amazing frequencies, so there are actually 9. You'll see that it starts right here with the soul purpose chakra, going all the way through the 7 other chakras: root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and then you also have the pituitary chakra. So on each side of the 7 chakras, you have 1 extra, making the 9 solfeggio tuning fork frequencies. So these tuning forks can be used for deep healing and emotional healing. Each Solfeggio tuning is based on a frequency believed to influence the subconscious and conscious mind. They can balance your energy and stimulate healing with the universe. The truth and magic of Solfeggio tuning forks is that each fork will actually clear all the chakras, even though some like to attach a certain chakra to a certain frequencies. These forks have a positive effect on the entire body, each in a different magical and miraculous way. The 9 Solfeggio tuning forks we carry at the life-changing energy store are marked like this. So let's go through each one. I'm not going to go into a huge detail on every single one. It would get a little too long, but I promise I will make another video that shows and explains every single one of these frequencies. So the first one, 174, is the soul purpose. This is connected to the Merkaba meditation and is about security and love. It's kind of hard to hear through this, but this is connected, like I said, to security and love. 174. The next one is 285. Now remember, these numbers are repeating. So when I say them, you'll hear these same numbers in different order corresponding as we go down. So this one is Ut, and this one is the root chakra. 285 Hertz, vitality and courage, and this helps restoration and tissue repair. The next one is 396 Hertz. This is the sacral chakra, creativity, and this is a chakra and, a frequency of liberating guilt and fear. The next one is 417 Hertz, 417, and this is the solar plexus, balance and understanding. This is undoing situations and facilitating change. The next one is going up to the heart chakra, which sometimes seems like a lot of people's favorite. This is the middle chakra that divides the physical chakras with the spiritual chakras. 528 Hertz. This is love and healing, transformation and miracles. Some believe this helps with DNA repair. The next one is the 639 Hertz for the throat chakra. This is guidance and spirituality. Oh, sorry. Skipped ahead. This is willpower and communication, connecting and relationships. This is the 369 frequency. The next one is 741. This is the third eye, intuition and knowledge. Expression and solving problems is what this frequency helps with. Now, I will list all of this down below, and when you go to my store and look at these are also listed, so you don't have to try to commit them all to memory or scribble them down really fast while I'm talking. This next one is 852. This is the crown chakra, guidance and spirituality. It's a return to spiritual order. And then the ninth one is 963. Pituitary chakra, universal connection. This is communication with the divine. Like I said, it's a little much to go one by one, a little deeper into them, but I promise I will do another video and link that in here for you. Now, these are weighted tuning forks that can be used directly on the body. So these things right here, this is the extra weights. So sometimes you'll see tuning forks that just have basically this part, and these are weighted. Now, we like the weighted because that means it reverberates for longer and it reverberates overtones, which get deeper into the muscles. They're also made of aluminum, so they ring those overtones, right? And I talk about this in my other video about our chakra tuning forks, our set of 7. Now, some people believe that these tuning forks give them peace right away, and others think and believe that, it takes a little bit more time, and still others may feel a little bit off when they are releasing some things, and then they feel calm and peace afterwards. Some also like a more methodical approach to using the Solfeggio tuning forks, and some just say, use your intuition, let it guide you to which fork you need and what fork your body needs. The most important thing is to allow any kind of stress to release, any kind of limiting beliefs to release, just pretty much any kind of release that your body is needing. Allow that to happen. Now, if you're the type of person who needs a healing plan for using your Solfeggio tuning forks, don't worry, I got you covered. We're gonna go into that in a second. We can try different combinations of frequencies week by week. All right, so one more time, let me show you all of our tuning forks real quick, and then let's go into how you can use these week by week. So the first option is to just listen to each frequency one by one, lowest to highest. Do not place them directly on your ear. Some are very sensitive, so you don't want to get too close. You want to stay about 3 to 6 inches away from your ear, making sure that that vibration is something that you can feel, you can hear. You can also put these directly on your body, anywhere that you feel is necessary for whatever frequency is connected to the thing you want to release, right? So when you use these, like I said, you could just go from lowest all the way to the highest, which we just went through a second ago, and you just do them one by one. Now, if you know much about chakras, you'll know that pretty much most of the time we got something going on with our chakras. Something is imbalanced, our energy is blocked somewhere. We might meet up with pollution, toxins in food, somebody that, irritates us at the store, or a problem at work. We can get off very quickly, so it's good to go through all of the chakras and rebalance, recalibrate, align ourselves so that the energy can flow through us as best as possible, right? So just go through all of them one by one. That's option number one, method one. Option number two, you can pair two forks, one by each ear. For example, you might pair the 174 next to the next one, which is the root chakra, right? So they're going in order, but in pairs, if that makes sense. So you might play the one, play the other, put each of them by each of the ears, right? Again, not too close. And then next you pick up, so you'll get rid of this one, move this over, pick up the next one, go ahead and do again, root, sacral, right? As I said, you can also put them anywhere that you feel you need to. And you can also wave them around your aura, okay? And as we go up, right, you're gonna move the sacral here and then go to the solar plexus. And we do that all the way up, and that is option number two. The next option, option number three, is we use three forks with the same numbers in their frequencies. For example, there are three forks that have numbers 1, 4, and 7. So you'll use the 174 Hertz, the 417 Hertz together, right? And then you will use the 741 Hertz together and kind of do those exactly what we just did, right? With threes instead. So then you repeat this for the other two sequences, 285 and 369. All right. Now beware of your thoughts and what emotions come up for you. Are there emotions that feel suppressed? Are there beliefs that need to be released? Don't let anything cloud that release. Allow that release to happen. Let it go, even if it means that you have a stream of tears. After trying the different options, you can decide how you like to use the forks best, or you can create your own way. Remember that you really can't use these forks wrong. The only thing that could happen is that there's a frequency that's dissonant with you that could make you feel a little off temporarily. Now, slight note of caution, these are not recommended for children under 10. Don't use them while you're driving. And of course, this is not replacement for any kind of medical advice. So like we've touched upon already, tuning forks are important for everyone's well-being because they affect all of the body's system, digestion, circulation, nervous system, even the hormones. It helps to reduce inflammation. When you use the tuning forks on a regular basis, you can help relieve insomnia. You can create deeper, more restful sleep. You can promote the healing of strained muscles, tendons, and ligaments. You can put the body back to homeostasis, which is super important, especially in this day of dis-ease, right? You can open energetic pathways, your chakras become functional, the wheels are turning. You can create relaxation and relax your muscles. You'll lower your stress and anxiety, and you'll enhance your mood. Tuning forks are a great way to help your body to heal physically and emotionally. They open up your chakras, like I said. They are a great addition for the beginner just starting on their energy and sound healing journey. They're really super duper easy to use as well. Or if you are a professional energy healer or a sound healer or a Reiki master, you may want to use these to deepen your client's experience with you. It could be exactly what you need to jumpstart your overall well-being in mind, body, and spirit. So check them out in my store and get yourself a complete set of all 9 of the secret Solfeggio tuning forks. See you later.